God, get me out of this place. There's a lot of toxic kids. Oh, God. There's a lot of little Timmys in there.
Don't. You need to step off, bro. I'm gonna cook you if you won't be
Shot
one.
her in the head. Now
Don't.
she's dead. Oh, no.
You're low rank. You're low rank. You're low. Y'all are all low rank.
I just 1v2'd him.
So?
No. No.
You're such a good player, man.
Get one of these low ranks to play, bro. I want to play some.
Are you scared of a battle hardened?
Don't even join my team.
Wait, wait. I think I see somebody.
Unreal. I'm not even trying to
Hold on.
glitch myself.
Let's go to the obby. I swear, I feel like something's gonna clap my cheek. Okay, yeah, no. Clap my cheek. I feel like something is gonna come up and jump scare the heck out of me. Bro, let me do that. Why you Battle Predator? Don't worry.
Brother, what?
I'm a Rampage Randy. I'm higher than this guy.
Do I have mic on?
Do I have mic on? I don't.
Do I?
Yeah.
Match
Dang
starting.
it, this map. Yeah, you have mic on.
Round starting.
So I'm a rampage or whatever. Battle predator or whatever. What am I again?
You're a battle predator. You're a battle predator.
You're a rampage.
Round starting.
One. Can I win one?
Come on.
Round starting.
Okay. Can I just win two to make it fair?
Round starting.
Or can we get to sudden death and see who wins?
Round starting.
Hi.
Come on!
What? Mad?
Me, man?
I'll win. This time, when you're picking my map. No, my map. My map. Oh my gosh.
No!
Oh, god dang it. I can't believe little
Match
kids.
starting.
Bro, you're a fetus! That means you're a little kid.
Round starting.
Got you. That's what happens if you don't pick my map.
Okay!
You get cooked immediately.
Round starting.
But I picked your map last time, and why did you
Bro,
let me at
that was
least
not my
get
map.
one?
I picked
You
the trenches.
picked it.
I picked the trenches. I picked the trenches.
Why is everyone
Yeah?
like that?
Round starting.
Am I the only one that hates that one?
Clipped.
Here, only melee. Only melee.
Alright. Alright, fine. I'll do only
Round
melee.
starting.
I will not.
I'm good. I said only melee. Cheeto.
Now he's accusing me of cheating.
Round starting.
Now we only do melee.
Alright, fine, melee. Dang.
Would you?
Okay. Fine. Melee's fair. I'll do melee.
Round starting.
Watch me clip you with melee.
Stop!
Stop! Cry better, buddy. Cry. Let's go.
You didn't do melee.
Alright, fine. Let's do melee. Fine. Gosh, why am I 1v1ing the same person again and again? Let's go. Let's pick my map.
Of course.
Please. I'll let you win. I will not let him win. Bro!
Match starting.
This is not the map I picked.
I swear I picked your map.
Round starting.
Bro, you picked random. What are you on right now?
Okay, I did pick random. Oh, yep.
Yep, okay, yeah, you're gonna get clipped instantly. This is what happens if you don't
Round
pick my
starting.
map. I like trolling little kids. Clipped. I like trolling little kids so much, bro. These little kids are insane. Bro.
Round starting.
Alright, let's go. That's what happens if you don't pick my map, boy. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, I already got my loot. Easy. That's what happens if you don't pick my map. You get clipped if you don't pick my map.
Round starting.
Can't trick me once. Can't trick me twice. Clipped.
Yeah.
Get clipped. Bro, showing these little kids are just crap.
Round
Oh,
starting.
dang it. Hold up. Shush. You're not. Hey, you wanna know what happens? You wanna know what happens if you don't pick my map? You'll get easily clipped.
Round starting.
Watch. Oh, you tried to trick me. You missed every shot. Well, only
I
missed.
hit you once.
Yeah. Oh, want a rematch again? Alright. This time, you have to pick my map.
I already did it.
Alright. Now stay away from the keyboard thingy. Stay away, or else. I'm gonna clip you so much. Oh, let's go. So what? You try to switch the plans?
Match
I'm gonna clip
starting.
you again, bro. If you try to switch the plans.
Round starting.
Alright. I'm over here.
You said you would let me win,
No,
and you.
I won't let him win. Bro, it's
Round
trolling is so
starting.
fun, bro. Just get.
Only melee. I swear. Only.
Alright, only melee. Okay. Let's do only melee.
Round starting.
Don't do only melee. I literally destroy you.
You literally destroy me. What are you talking about? You're not destroying me right now. Buddy. Oh, yeah.
I'm winning.
Don't worry. I'll catch up.
Round starting.
Only
Alright.
melee.
Okay, fine. Only melee. I'm using melee. Come on. Are you scared, cat? I already went to your base. Your turn to come to my base. Unless you're too scared. Let's go. Come on!
Coming.
No.
Round starting.
Yo, what did he just say? He was what?
Okay, I know where you're coming.
Let's go. Little kid clit. Little kid clit.
Only pistol again. How about that?
Alright, fine. Only pistol. Let's do it.
Round starting.
Only pistol, and only knife.
See? You try to cheat. You use the
No.
shotgun.
I swear I accidentally.
You did not accidentally. Little kids lie, and liars are
Round
little
starting.
kids. I'm coming! Let's go.